Good morning, students. लेखन कौशलम उपपद विभक्तयः अव्ययानि. What is the अव्यय? The word which has the same form in all the three genders, all cases means vibhakti in all the three numbers and which undergoes no change is called अव्यय. Student, certain dhatus or avyas expect a particular vibhakti irrespective of the karak and is called upapad vibhakti. Let's see upapad vibhaktayah avyani. Textbook page number 27. Abhitah means around. The word which answer around what is written in द्वितीया विभक्ति. भानु अभितः ग्रहाः भ्रमन्ति. भानु is a द्वितीया विभक्ति. परितः द्वितीया विभक्ति. परितः means around. The word which answer around what is written in द्वितीया विभक्ति. मातरं परितः गणेशः प्रदक्षिणां करोति. मातरम is a द्वितीया विभक्ति. उभयतः. उभयतः means on both the sides. The word which answer the question on both sides what is written in द्वितीया विभक्ति. नदीम उभयतः क्षेत्राणि विद्यन्ते. नदीम इज अ द्वितीया विभक्ति. प्रति द्वितीया. प्रति मीन्स टुवर्ड्स. द वर्ड विच आंसर द क्वेश्चन टुवर्ड्स whom is written in द्वितीया विभक्ति. सायंकाले वत्सः धेनुं प्रति वेगेन गच्छति. धेनुम इज अ द्वितीया विभक्ति. वीणा means without. द्वितीया, तृतीया and पंचमी. The word which answer the question without which or what in written in द्वितीया, तृतीया either पंचमी विभक्ति. चंद्रमसं चंद्रमसा चंद्रमसः विना निशा न शोभते. चंद्रमसम इज अ द्वितीया विभक्ति. चंद्रमसा इज अ तृतीया विभक्ति and चंद्रमस इज अ पंचमी विभक्ति. सह means with. The word which answer the question with whom is written in तृतीया विभक्ति. पित्रा सह अनिकेतः आपनं गच्छति. पित्रा इज अ तृतीया विभक्ति. अलम means enough. The word which answer the question enough of what is written in तृतीया विभक्ति. अलम निद्रया, अलम भित्त्या, अलम वार्तालापेन. नमः means bow down or salute. The one to be saluted is written in चतुर्थी विभक्ति. गणपतये नमः, गुरवे नमः, मरुते नमः, महालक्ष्मै नमः. बहिः. बहिः means outside. The word which answer the question outside what is written in पंचमी विभक्ति. गृहात् बहिः माता आगता. गृहात् is a पंचमी विभक्ति. कृते means for the sake. The word which answer the question for whom is written in षष्ठी विभक्ति. स्वस्सुः कृते बन्धुः उपहारम् आनयति. स्वस्सुः is a षष्ठी विभक्ति. समीपे means near. The person or thing near which should be written in षष्ठी विभक्ति. नगरस्य समीपे उद्यानं वर्तते. नगरस्य is a षष्ठी विभक्ति. Student, last video we saw उपपद विभक्तयः अव्ययानि. In this video, we will see Uppada Vibhakti Dhatavah. Gama, one papa. Gama means to go. Place where one wants to go. The destination is written in Dvitiya Vibhakti. Pandavaha Hastinapuram agachan. Hastinapuram is a Dvitiya Vibhakti. Kupa and Krodha is a four papa, means get angry. Towards whom anger is directed. The word which answer the question anger for whom is written in Chaturthi Vibhakti, means Chaturthi Vibhakti of the person who angers is required. Mata shishave kadapi na kupyate swamini mrutyaya krudhati. Shishave and mrutyaya is a Chaturthi Vibhakti. Dayacha, one papa, means to give. Chaturthi Vibhakti of the person who likes is required. The one to whom something is given. The receiver takes Chaturthi Vibhakti. Shishyaha Gurave Dakshinam Yachatu. Gurave is a Chaturthi Vibhakti. Katha, 10 Ubhayapadi. To tell. The one to whom something is told means the listener is written in Chaturthi Vibhakti. Apsarasau Devendraya Vrittantam Akathayatam. Devendraya is a Chaturthi Vibhakti. Raksha, one papa, to protect. From whom one seeks protection. The word which answer the question protecting from what is written in Panchami Vibhakti. Krishnaha sankatat apadaha gopalan rakshati. Sankatat and apadaha is a Panchami Vibhakti. Virama, one papa. Actually dhatu ram is Atmanepadi, but the upasarga V changes into Parasmay Pad. Virama means to stop. The word which answer the question stopping from what is written in Panchami Vibhakti, means Panchami Vibhakti of that from which to stop. Tvam vrutha kalahat virama. Vrutha kalahat is a Panchami Vibhakti. Sneha, four papa, means to love. One who is loved. The word which answer the question affection on whom is written in Saptami Vibhakti, means Saptami Vibhakti of one who is loved. Vayam Bhratrushu Snihem. Bhatrushu is a Saptami Vibhakti. Rucha. Rucha is a one Atmanepadi. Rucha means like. The one who likes is written in Chaturthi Vibhakti. Narendraya Vyayamah Rochate. Spruha, 10 Ubhayapadi, means desire or wish. The object desire is written in Chaturthi Vibhakti, means Chaturthi Vibhakti of that which is liked is required. Student, the following sentences is to understand the difference between Rucha and Spruha. First sentence, Ganeshaya modakaha rochamite. In this sentence, use Rucha dhatu. So, who likes modakaha? Ganeshaya. So, Ganeshaya is Chaturthi Vibhakti. Ganeshah मोदकेभ्यः स्पृहयति. In this sentence, spruha means wish or desire. The Ganesh desired or wished modakah. So, modakebhyah is a chaturthi vibhakti. Shivaya bilvapatrani rochante. Shivaya is a chaturthi vibhakti. शिवः बिल्वपत्रेभ्यः स्पृहयति. बिल्वपत्रेभ्यः चतुर्थी. महालक्ष्मै कमलं रोचते. यूज रुच धातु. सो यूज महालक्ष्मै चतुर्थी विभक्ति. महालक्ष्मीः कमलाय स्पृहयति. यूज स्पृह धातु. सो कमलाय इज अ चतुर्थी विभक्ति. एष निखिलः. निखिलाय किं किं रोचते. निखिलाय इज अ चतुर्थी विभक्ति. बिकॉज यूज रुच रोच धातु. निखिलाय लड्डुकाः रोचन्ते. निखिलाय शाला रोचते. निखिलाय पुस्तकानि रोचन्ते. निखिलाय गणित संस्कृते रोचेते. एषा कश्मीरा. कश्मीरा कस्मै कस्य स्पृहयति. यूज स्पृह धातु. सो विश और डिजायर यूज चतुर्थी विभक्ति. कश्मीरा कंठहाराय स्पृहयति. कंठहाराय इज अ चतुर्थी विभक्ति. कश्मीरा शशकाभ्यां स्पृहयति. शशकाभ्याम इज अ चतुर्थी विभक्ति. कश्मीरा जलक्रीडायै स्पृहयति. जलक्रीडायै इज अ चतुर्थी विभक्ति. कश्मीरा वेणवे स्पृहयति. वेणवे इज अ चतुर्थी विभक्ति. Student, I will stop here. This is the last lecture of Upapada Vibhaktaya. Write down all Upapada Vibhaktaya avyayani and Upapada Vibhaktaya dhatavah sentences in your Sanskrit notebook.